Want to learn how to build a powerful weather app in SwiftUI? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a weather app that pulls real-time data, displays a sleek 5-day weather forecast. This is perfect for iOS developers looking to level up their skills. So this is the actual app. As you can see, you can type in any city. I just typed in Miami in advance. If I click on the button, Get Weather, it gets the weather for today in Miami, and it also gets the 5-day weather forecast for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with actual temperatures. And it also shows if it's going to be light rain, cloudy, clear sky, broken clouds, overcast, or light rain. Just to show you that it works, I'll enter another city, Karachi. Very hot city, 29 degrees. Full sun with a few clouds. And that's the weather forecast for the remaining 5 days. Also, I'll enter London. As you can see, London is much cooler, it's much colder. Then finally, I'll enter another hot city, which is Lagos. 36 degrees, very hot. So this is the application that we'll be creating in this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll start to add the weather icons and description. At the moment, if we click on the Get Weather button, we can get the 5-day forecast for London. But as you can see, the 5-day forecast, it needs to be formatted so that the GUI gets neater. So they're the things that we will work on today, and then complete the full tutorial. The first thing we need to do is to add the weather icon. Image, system, name, new model, get weather, icon, forecast, dot main, dot temp, condition, it should be condition, forecast, dot weather, dot first, description, and then we need to pass in the humidity, forecast, dot main, dot humidity. And this will display the appropriate weather icon that relates to the temperature. Humidity is spelled incorrectly, so I'll just fix it. And now I'll just set the icon color, foreground color, to yellow. And also display the weather description. Weather first, description, capitalize. If it doesn't exist, just use NA. Font dot subheadline. And that will set the font size for the description, the headline, and then the color for the description, foreground color, that will be grey. Frame, max width, 120, alignment, leading, that should be leading, so the purpose of line 115 is to set the width alignment for the frame of the description text element, which is this one here. And then after line 117, we need to align the icon and description to the right. Frame, max width, infinity, infinity, alignment, training. We will be creating on the course. The application includes 3 buttons on the main menu, which are Create To-Dos, List All To-Dos, or To-Do Stats. Clicking on Create To-Dos enables the user to add a new to-do. For example, I'll create one right now. The to-do is to collect relative from airport. Master core data and build real apps like to-do lists with notifications, pie charts, and address lookup. Learn advanced SwiftUI techniques and gain the skills to create professional apps. Join now and start your journey. The next thing we need to do is to add some padding around each forecast item. And then we need to set the background color of each forecast item. Each forecast item will have a corner radius of 8 to make the corners rounded. and also add a bit of a shadow effect. Padding dot horizontal, which adds horizontal padding to the forecast item. Next thing we need to do is after line 130 is to add some padding to the scroll view. Dot padding bottom 20. Dot padding dot horizontal dot background color, which is white. Dot corner radius 15. Dot shadow radius is 5. Also need to add a spacer. And then we apply our navigation bar title. Weather app. Display mode. Dot large. And then the final thing we need to do is to set a gradient background for the entire view. Linear gradient. Spelled that incorrectly. Should be linear gradient. 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 And then we pass our array of colors as a gradient. Color.blue. Color. White. Start point will be top. The end point will be bottom. Now just compile it. This is a mistake. Let me start. Closing bracket on lines 142 at the end. Recompile it. compiled. Now let's see if it works. I'll try to get the weather for London for today. See, it's working, but the background region seems to be incorrect. Like it's not applied properly. So yeah, it seems like there's an issue with the background gradient. So 4 little tasks, see if you can fix that issue. And then let me know in the comments if you'll fix the issue or not. Don't forget to subscribe for more Swift and SwiftUI tutorials.